Hey guys, Mikael Diaz here. And may tanong ko para sa inyo. Ano yung pinaka-memorable team building experience? So, answer that question. I'll see you guys.
Yung pinaka-memorable na team building namin, mga trainers, nung sa candy shop, nag-bar kami, lahat kami, nagsayaw kami doon, nag-inom, and masaya kasi walang inhibitions, hindi kami lahat naka-formal wear.
Isa sa pinaka-memorable na team building na na-attendan ko, yung nagpunta kami sa La Luz, tapos yun, nag-beach lang kami, kasi maganda yung beach.
Naalala ko, one time, sumama kami outing, delay yung sweldo. Wala kaming pera! Woo! Nang kami doon!
Recent, yung sa Subic, kasi masaya yung namin.
Boss, siya ang boyfriend niya.
Masaya yung bonding ng wave namin, so kahit konti na kami, masaya yung
Most unforgettable na team building siguro na maalala ko is yung sa Laguna. Ang dami kong hindi mo nakakalimutan doon kasi doon nag-start yung friendship namin lahat. Talaga nag-bond, lalo na yung mga plastic friends. Tapos ang daming eksena nangyari pero nakakatuwa siya. Tsaka ang daming namin event na ginawa aside from swimming, madaming nangyari talaga unforgettable. So lahat na nakasama doon sa Laguna, alam niyo yung sinasabi ko kaya.
Most memorable January team building namin. It was a celebration that we were the #1 team. It was memorable din sa amin kasi wala yung TL namin, missing in action. So that's one memorable team building part.
Memorable team building experience ko was in Batangas na lahat kami inom na. So, pagdating namin dun sa place, nakalimutan pala namin yung alak namin sa bus.